Welcome back. This is Body Fitness and Health Gym. We are here for the first series of the strength training, which is resistance training. I'm going to start by warming up with the push-ups, toes on the stick. After that, we're going to go to the bench press, which is the Olympic bench, where we can do the bench press. You can go how far, how strong you are, you show your strength. This is the strength training. So we begin our workout by warming up. Here we go. Okay. Slide up, glide up, wide grip. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can modify it. You can modify and hold. Push. Hold. Push. Hold. Okay. That's what if you want to do just a warm up. You can warm up with the push-ups, which also acts on the chest. It builds the chest with your body weight only. Okay. Let's go. Bench press. This is what I love more. Everyone's favorite. You can go heavy as you can. I'm just going to demonstrate for you. This is what we do at Body Fitness. Okay. 4, 3, 2. We're going to the wide grip. This is the wide grip. You should know that the grips are very important. 4, out. Okay, there you go. 1, let's go. 2, 3, keep going. 4, and back. Okay, so on this, you can do different of your grips. You can reduce weight. You can add weight, it's up to you. What you want, you want to go to the cross grip, goes wide. So that you know the most important things is that your wide grips, your cross grip, your medium grip, you should all do them. They've got different angles of touching your chest. Okay, I'm going to the close. This is where I am. You hold your wrist. That's it. So you go down and press. You go down and press. Make sure you make your movement right, your motions to hit the chest range. Okay. There you go. 4, 3, 2. This is the flat bench. This is a single bench where we're going to do the dumbbell press. From the flat barbell, next to the flat dumbbell press. Still on the 20s. You can go heavy as you can. There you go, up, grab your dumbbells side to side, grab them nicely, push, down, yes. Hold your wrist steady and keep it tight. Make sure you go slowly, control your movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, there you go, and 5. Take it down. You go. Put all your weights on your rack. You go to the flies. Almost the same thing. Touching your chest. There's the inner, your outer, and the closer, the upper chest. There's the outer chest. Okay. And that's what makes the line. You go to the flies. Fly them. I'm going to demonstrate to you. There you go. You do that. 4, 3, 2, down. There you go. You can keep your legs up to keep your back flat on the bench. It's up to you because when you do that, there's that space on your back. When the legs are like that, people don't feel comfortable. So when you do this, pick up your legs, the back is flat so that you can be comfortable, fully flat back, the chest straight out. Okay, 4, 3, 2. There you go. The flies. You go. Steady. 1. That's it. 2. Press. 3. Let's go. 4. 5. And 6. Okay. That's it.